Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the job safe. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait at least 10 minutes so capacitors bleed. This prevents accidental deployment. Next, plug in an OBD2 scanner or VCDS that supports SRS and read all airbag fault codes. Write them down. Once you have codes, open the passenger footwell, remove the glove box or seat trim to expose connectors. Make sure you have a torque screwdriver and inspection light ready. Start with the data, not guessing. Now you diagnose the causes behind those codes. Inspect each SRS connector closely, look for bent pins, corrosion, or loose clips, and reseat them firmly. If the fault points to the steering wheel, test the clock's spring continuity. If it's passenger side or seat belt, verify the occupancy sensor and buckle switch. Repair any damaged wiring with proper crimps and heat shrink, or replace a failed crash sensor. Once repairs are complete, you'll be ready to clear codes and verify the fix. Don't skip verification. You finish by reconnecting the battery and using your diagnostic tool to clear SRS codes. Follow the tool's prompts and any VW-specific sequence. Then turn the ignition on and watch the airbag light. It should illuminate briefly, then extinguish within the key cycle to indicate a past self-check. If the light returns, rescan for persistent codes and address that specific item. One key troubleshooting tip: if the light persists, double-check the passenger occupancy sensor and seat wiring. Those often mask as stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.